If you're looking for a quick and easy way to track your sales goals in TeamGate CRM, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up and manage your sales targets within TeamGate CRM, while also giving you a heads up about some alternatives that might actually better serve your needs. So stick with me till the end. It's going to be worth it. First things first, tracking your sales goals in TeamGate CRM is actually really simple once you know where to look. The platform gives you a lot of flexibility, but that can also be overwhelming if you're not familiar with the layout. So let's start with setting up your sales goals. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Goals section. You'll find this under the Sales tab in the menu. It's here that you'll enter your targets for the specific time periods you're working with, like monthly, quarterly, or yearly goals. This is where you'll enter the revenue or deal targets you want to hit. Next thing, once your goals are set up, you'll want to monitor your progress. TeamGate offers a handy visual dashboard where you can see how you're tracking against your goals in real time. It's an easy-to-read graph that shows your targets versus actual sales, so you can adjust your strategy if needed. The third thing you should know is that you can break down your sales goals by individual team members. So if you're working with a team, TeamGate allows you to assign specific sales goals to each person. This way, you can track the performance of your team and identify who needs support or who's killing it in hitting their targets. Now, the fourth thing, TeamGate also lets you manage your pipeline and sales activities in the same platform. So as you track your sales goals, you'll be able to see exactly which deals are in progress, at what stage, and how much revenue is expected from each. This integration between your goals and your pipeline is key to having a clear view of where you stand and what needs to be done. Finally, while TeamGate offers a lot of tools to track your sales goals, you might find that it's not quite as customizable as you want when it comes to reporting or more advanced forecasting features. This is where some alternatives come in. Now, I've got an exclusive bonus for you. If you're serious about tracking your sales goals and want to check out something that might suit your needs even better, I've got you covered. Through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive extended free trial for a CRM that could outperform TeamGate when it comes to advanced goal tracking, reporting, and even sales forecasting. But here's the thing, I'm not leaving you with just one option. I've added a couple of alternatives that also come with free trials and could be a better fit depending on your business size and specific needs. Don't miss out on this offer. Follow the link and you'll get the best trial, exclusive benefits, and insight into which software might be the best for you. Whether it's TeamGate or something else, you'll know you made the right choice. So go ahead, click that link, and start tracking your sales goals like a pro.